2005 prenatal super or what? Slash rule.
The following is a statewide monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol in Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in your community.
We should pull some of that.
But how we handle these distractions can be a matter of life or death.
He died in the crossfire.
Broadcasters, this is only a test.
Follow you from this
His home team is matter of reputation.
Jefferson City and coordinated with the local.
Because they know too. We've made it expand the emergency
disease and cancer.
and I don't
Explosion?
now God has given it to you because it's the gift
that's kind of
eternal life through Jesus Christ our Lord. Congratulations.
From now on,
and welcome to the family.
.edu.
Good start. Would you let us know something?
Talk a little.
It's power.